and welcome to Adventures in TV Land. Another snack review, another food review where you should try something new, something different, something unusual, something we have not eaten before. Today we're trying a new flavor of Doritos. We're trying some Stranger Things Doritos. For those of you who might not be aware, Netflix's top-rated show of all time, on Netflix, Stranger Things is about ready to have its final season debut at the end of November. So there are these different collaborations going on. This is one with Doritos. So, Stranger Things Doritos. It's Doritos Collisions. Doritos Collisions. Now this is a mix mash of Stranger Things pizza flavored Dorito, and the Cool Ranch. And this bag looks like the old school Doritos bag. They used to look this way with the logo there, kind of white, depending on the color. I do not believe there was ever a pizza flavored Doritos, at least in the United States, as far as I'm aware. I don't remember one. But the Cool Ranch, it came out. It was like the second Doritos flavor. So, let's see how these taste. Maybe she's doing this upside down. Maybe I'll flip this video so everything is upside down already. Right side up. Right, that looks... I guess this is the two different types of chips are mixed together, so this one's the pizza one. That's really good. This one doesn't appear to have be as dark, so I'd say it's Cool Ranch. And it was. So let's try a mix up. Let's try a couple of them together. Cool Ranch, pizza. Let's try them together. Now that is a flavor sensation. I really like Doritos, regular ones, but these pizza ones are really good. They should make this as a permanent flavor. Have you watched Stranger Things? Are you excited for the last season? Will Hawkins be saved? Let me know what you think down in the comments below. They got a number there you can call. I have called it before. It's kind of cool. I actually called this number before it was ready, and they had a cool voice recording back then. Oh, you're ahead of the game, blah blah blah, all this stuff. But it's kind of cool now if you call that number. All right, Doritos Collisions with Stranger Pizza and Cool Ranch, a limited flavor celebrating Stranger Things. Would I purchase those again? Yes, I would purchase those again. As I mentioned earlier, I do like Doritos. Both those flavors are pretty good. Now, I have a family member who hates ranch. He doesn't like the ranch Doritos at all. He would disgust them, but the combination, the two, it's actually pretty good too, so I like them. A scale of 1 to 10, I'm going to give these a 10. I would, and I actually did, when I purchased these, I purchased extra bags, so I would have a couple extra bags, so in anticipation that they would be good. If they weren't good, I guess I would take them to a party somewhere, or maybe try to sell them online. But yeah, Stranger Things Doritos Collisions, sorry, with Stranger Pizza and Cool Ranch flavors. Get them while you can. Well, this has been another adventure in TV land. Thank you for watching. Until next time, that's a wrap.